Hey motherfuckers, what's up? This is Galen Rubai here. So I'm making another video on listen what this one is called. Chinese man food versus Mickey D's, McDonald's. So yesterday I was hungry and I went to McDonald's and I went through the drive-thru and I say, okay, I'll have a Big Mac combo, right? She go, what kind of drink you want? I say, I'll give me a medium iced tea. Then she calculated, she go, oh, that'll be $10.75. I go, what? She goes, sorry, sir, but $10.75. I go, are you fucking crazy? She go, excuse me? So I just drive out. Drive right through the fucking drive-thru and pay nothing, gamma waste, cunt. I go, fuck this. I'm going over to my boy. So I went to my boy today, cunt. My boy, my Chinese man in Ajax, right? And I changed it up this fucking time. I changed it up. So this is what I order. Let me show you the price first. $10. $10. 10 fucking bucks. And McDonald's want $10.75 for fucking bread with a piece of meat inside. This is what I get for $10. Check this out, motherfucker. A mixed Guyanese chow mein with chicken on top. Chicken inside, shrimp and beef. 10 fucking bucks. How the fuck can you go wrong? How the fuck can you go wrong? 10 fucking bucks. This gonna feed me like 5 fucking time. And I know you guys go in my last video. Okay, how the fuck you know that's chicken and not dog? I'll tell you this, motherfuckers. If this is dog, let me show you something. You see these 3 motherfuckers here? If dog tastes that good, you hiding. If dog tastes that good, I cook him bunny. And I cook him bandit for Christmas, cunt. And I cook him bullets, cunt. Right? Because if I tell y'all right now, if y'all taste so good, I cook him y'all. Okay? Because somebody says dog. I can find out. But this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. 10 bucks. 10 bucks. Look at food. That's 3 fucking time I gonna eat. 3 fucking time. Later, motherfuckers.